and welcome to the Marley Bird YouTube channel. If you are like just about every other knitter and crocheter in the world, you are wondering about the brand new Yarnspirations Ogo. This is a fun new way for you to get your yarn tangle free. All you're gonna do is snip, pull, and stitch. Let me show you how this works. The Yarnspirations Caron Colorama comes in a very beautiful collection of 5 colors. When you get this yarn, you simply will open up your packaging, pop your packaging out. When you have the Ogo, you're going to carefully pull it apart and you're going to see a plastic section right here. You're going to snip this plastic, okay? This plastic is what's holding the donut together. Once you snip the plastic, you're going to pull that plastic out. Now, you have 2 choices. You can pull from the center of the Ogo or the outside. Here's a little tip. The Ogo was actually designed to be pulled from the outside. So even though you can pull from the inside, you want to locate your strand from the outside of the Ogo, and that's where you simply will start pulling your yarn and stitching. And you're gonna see that you're gonna have no tangles, no extra pulls, no knots in your yarn. It is just continuous free-flowing knitting or crocheting. How cool is that? It's really great for those beginners who finally get comfortable with the hook and the needles in their hand and holding their yarn in the other hand, but then they start knitting along and a knot happens in their yarn. They have to let go of everything and readjust. With the Ogo, you simply just pull the yarn right off of the donut and you don't have to worry about any stops or knots in your yarn. It is so convenient and fun. Yarnspirations is always trying to be innovative with everything they do. So this is not a brand new yarn, but it's a brand new way for you to get your yarn. This is going to go in there right next to those cakes that are available, to the balls that are available, to the skeins that are available, to the cones that are available. It's just another way for you to get that yarn and keep on stitching. Another great thing about the Ogo is that with the carefully curated colors, you can separate these colors out and use them individually. Let me show you. All you do is come up here and you pull the colors apart. And it's that easy. Come up here and pull the colors apart. Once they're all separated, you just snip them apart. You get this last one out here. So you can see right here where the colors connect, you snip it, that color is ready to go. Right here, the colors connect, snip it, that color is ready to go. This right here, let's find the end, snip it, that color's ready. This one right here, snip, that color's ready. This right here, snip, that color's ready. And I can add this one back over here and look at that. I have a beautiful collection of 5 colors of yarn. Aren't these colors amazing? I think the Yarnspirations design team did an amazing job putting together these color collections in the Caron Colorama Ogo. But not only do we have the Caron Colorama, there's the Caron Big Donut, the Bernat Blanket, and the Red Heart Super Saver Ogo. These are some of our most popular yarns put together in this tangle-free, easy flow Ogo. You're going to absolutely love it. All right, now that you know how to use your Ogo, let's go ahead, grab that Ogo, and let's get going.